Every single night as you drift off to sleep, something precious is silently vanishing from your body. And if you're over 60, you need to hear this because you are unknowingly losing your strength, your energy, and ultimately your independence while you rest. The truth is terrifying. Your muscles are literally being eaten alive overnight. By age 60, the rate of muscle loss accelerates to an alarming 8% every decade. But the truly shocking part is that the biggest factor in this fight isn't your workout routine or lack thereof. It's the 8 hours you spend in bed. Unless you take action and make one critical, small change to your evening routine, you are guaranteeing that you wake up weaker and less resilient than you were the night before. This massive silent threat is real, but there is incredibly good news. One small nutritional shift can stop this muscle loss in its tracks and even force your body to rebuild and grow stronger every single night. Welcome to the hidden world of nighttime muscle decay, a phenomenon called catabolism. The reason your muscles are disappearing while you sleep is simple yet destructive. Your body enters a prolonged fasting state every night. With no food or protein coming in for hours, your body must break down its own existing muscle tissue to supply the essential amino acids it needs to keep your vital functions running. This destructive process is drastically amplified for older adults, primarily due to something called anabolic resistance. This means that after age 60, your body becomes far less efficient at utilizing the protein you eat. In simple terms, even if you eat enough protein during the day, your muscles often aren't getting what they need to repair and recover at night. While you should be recovering and rebuilding during deep sleep, your body is instead resorting to cannibalizing the very muscle tissue you need to maintain your strength, balance, and independence. It's a vicious cycle of waking up stiffer, more fatigued, and slowly losing the ability to live an active life. But don't worry, the solution is simple, affordable, and requires almost no effort. The key to stopping this nightly decay and flipping the switch to overnight muscle repair lies in consuming certain specific foods 30 to 60 minutes before going to sleep. Science now definitively proves that the right nighttime fuel can dramatically reduce this muscle breakdown and, in some cases, actively trigger new muscle growth while you are deeply resting. Over the next few minutes, we are going to reveal the 8 most powerful, science-backed bedtime foods proven to protect, rebuild, and strengthen your body, ranked from number 8 to the absolute number 1. You need to pay special attention to our number 1 food, which, according to a recent groundbreaking study, increased overnight muscle protein synthesis by a staggering 22%, even without any strenuous exercise. This is the game changer you've been waiting for, the simple, effortless strategy that ensures you are fueling your body for strength while you sleep. Our journey to a stronger morning begins with food number 8, cottage cheese, an old-school staple that has quietly become one of the most effective tools for preserving muscle overnight. Many might dismiss cottage cheese, but its secret lies in a special protein called casein. Unlike fast-digesting whey protein, which rushes into your system quickly and disappears just as fast, think of it as a firecracker. Casein is a slow-digesting protein, acting like a steady candle that releases a continuous stream of amino acids over 6 to 8 hours. This sustained release makes it the perfect nighttime fuel, protecting your muscles during the long fasting hours of sleep. A study from the British Journal of Nutrition gave adults over 60 a small serving of casein before bed and observed a remarkable 31% increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis compared to those who ate nothing. This means the casein group didn't just hold on to their muscle, they actively built more of it while they slept. To get this benefit, start with half a cup 30 to 60 minutes before bed, choosing plain, low-fat varieties and perhaps mixing in a sprinkle of cinnamon or a few slices of banana, which adds potassium to help muscles relax. Plus, cottage cheese is a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your brain wind down for a deeper, more restorative sleep. Moving on, food number 7. Hard-boiled eggs offers a compact, nutrient-dense, and highly efficient muscle-protecting snack. Despite their small size, each egg packs around 6 grams of high-quality complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs in the right ratios for muscle preservation. The real advantage for seniors, however, is the presence of leucine, a powerful amino acid that acts like the on switch for muscle growth. Because the body of an older adult is less responsive to protein, that is the anabolic resistance we mentioned, it takes higher quality, more efficient protein to trigger the necessary muscle building response. Eggs solve this by delivering complete, easily absorbed, and highly potent protein. A 2021 study published in Nutrients found that adults over 60 who ate whole eggs before bed over a 12-week period had a 19% higher muscle preservation rate and showed elevated levels of IGF-1, a crucial growth hormone that naturally declines with age. 1 or 2 hard-boiled eggs eaten 30 minutes before sleep are gentle on the stomach, low in sugar, and a non-messy, effortless way to provide your muscles with the building blocks they need to recover faster and wake up stronger. Our next choice, food number 6, tuna in olive oil, might seem like an unconventional bedtime snack, but for protecting muscle mass after 60, this combination is an absolute powerhouse. Tuna itself is one of the leanest, most protein-dense foods available, loaded with leucine to activate muscle growth. The key, however, is to consume it packed in olive oil, not water. The olive oil adds healthy monounsaturated fats that are slow digesting, which effectively acts as a time-release mechanism, keeping amino acids flowing into your bloodstream for hours and continuously feeding your muscles throughout the night. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition tested this exact protein plus fat combo in older adults and found that participants who consumed a high-protein, omega-3 rich food like tuna before bed experienced a 34% higher increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis compared to those who ate a low-fat option. They also reported less morning soreness and improved inflammatory markers. Scoop out about half a can and pair it with a few slices of cucumber or whole grain crackers about an hour before sleep, keeping it simple to avoid digestion interference. This isn't just a snack, it's a strategic nutritional move to combat age-related muscle loss or sarcopenia. Continuing our list, food number 5. Greek yogurt offers a creamy, satisfying snack that supports both your muscles and your gut health. Greek yogurt is an exceptional bedtime food because of its balanced blend. High casein protein for slow, muscle-preserving digestion, probiotics to improve nutrient absorption and gut health, and calcium, which is essential for muscle contractions and bone strength. Unlike regular yogurt, the triple straining process of Greek yogurt leaves you with significantly more protein and less sugar. A clinical study in Frontiers in Nutrition gave older adults a high-protein snack made from Greek yogurt before bedtime and saw a 26% increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis after just 6 weeks, alongside improved mitochondrial activity and more energy the following day. This is vital for seniors who often wake up feeling stiff or weak. Eat about half a cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt 30 to 45 minutes before bed. And if you want to enhance the flavor, use a dash of cinnamon or a few fresh berries, avoiding sugary pre-flavored options that can disrupt your sleep and recovery. Next is a classic soothing ritual, food number 4. Warm milk with turmeric, a time-honored drink that provides benefits far beyond relaxation. This simple blend is a triple threat for the over 60 body. It protects muscle, eases inflammation, and enhances deep restorative sleep. Milk naturally contains casein protein, calcium, and tryptophan, which promotes relaxation and sleep. When you add the golden ingredient turmeric, you introduce curcumin, one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Inflammation is a major driver of muscle breakdown and joint pain in older adults, and by combining protein with curcumin, your body gets the nutrients it needs to recover and rebuild while the inflammation is suppressed. A 2022 study in nutritional neuroscience showed that older adults who had a small protein-rich drink before bed saw a 32% improvement in muscle synthesis. And when curcumin was added, the group also experienced less morning stiffness and reduced joint pain. Prepare your golden milk by warming 1 cup of milk with a protein-fortified plant-based alternative if needed, stirring in 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric, and adding a pinch of black pepper, which is crucial for absorbing the curcumin. Sip this slowly about 30 minutes before bed for an all-natural muscle-protecting, pain-easing, and sleep-inducing ritual. For those who prefer a more convenient yet equally powerful option, we have food number 3, almond butter, a rich, creamy, slow-digesting powerhouse, perfect for nighttime muscle protection. Almond butter's unique power comes from its blend of healthy fats that slow digestion, plant-based protein, and high levels of magnesium, a mineral that helps relax your muscles and significantly improves sleep quality. This combination provides stable, sustained fuel for your muscles for hours, preventing the destructive processes of muscle breakdown. A 2020 study in Nutrients found that older adults who added a small serving of almond-based fat to their nightly routine saw a 17% improvement in overnight nitrogen retention, a key marker of muscle preservation, and notably lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone that causes muscle breakdown while you sleep. Simply take 1 tablespoon of natural, unsweetened almond butter 30 minutes before bed. You can eat it plain or spread it on a couple of apple slices or whole grain crackers. Its high magnesium content is a major bonus for anyone suffering from nighttime cramping or restlessness, helping you achieve the deep, restorative sleep necessary for true muscle repair. Nearing the top of our list, food number 2, tart cherry juice, offers a powerful natural drink that actively eases soreness, improves sleep, and boosts overnight recovery. This is not merely a trendy health drink. It's one of the most scientifically supported nighttime tools for older adults, particularly those battling chronic muscle soreness or poor sleep. Tart cherries contain compounds called anthocyanins, natural plant pigments with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, alongside natural melatonin, the hormone your body produces to regulate sleep. The combination is perfect. Less inflammation equals less muscle breakdown, and more melatonin equals better sleep for better recovery. A 2019 study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition tracked adults over 50 who drank tart cherry juice before bed and found they experienced 33% less muscle soreness in the morning and a 15% improvement in sleep quality. To reap these benefits, drink 4 to 6 ounces of 100% unsweetened tart cherry juice about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. The sour flavor is a sign you're getting the real, beneficial deal. By reducing inflammation, this juice also helps ease pressure on joints, supporting mobility and allowing your body to repair itself more effectively while you rest. And now, for the pinnacle of our list, the ultimate powerhouse. Food number 1, the whey protein shake. While often associated with bodybuilders, a whey protein shake before bed is arguably the single most powerful nutritional tool for people over 60 to fight off and reverse age-related muscle loss. Whey protein is rich in all 9 essential amino acids, but its unique power is its extraordinarily high concentration of leucine, the amino acid that directly and powerfully activates muscle protein synthesis. Because the older body is resistant to lower levels of protein, you need a highly efficient source to flip that light switch for growth, and whey delivers it. A 2021 clinical trial published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition tested the effects of drinking a 40-gram whey protein shake before bed in adults over 65 and documented a 22% increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis, along with lower markers of muscle breakdown and improved strength, walking speed, and balance over time. All these improvements happened even without an exercise routine. For those with lactose sensitivity, choose a whey isolate or hydrolyzed whey, which are easier on digestion while still providing the same powerful muscle-preserving punch. This is why it's number 1. It's convenient, highly digestible, packed with leucine, and scientifically proven to preserve and actively rebuild muscle overnight, making it the simple, powerful way to protect your strength after 60. Now you know the full truth. Muscle loss doesn't just happen during the day, it accelerates while you sleep. But with the right foods strategically consumed at the right time, you possess the power to protect, rebuild, and actually grow stronger each and every night. These aren't temporary trends. These are powerful science-backed tools designed to help you age stronger, more independently, and with vibrant energy. Your challenge tonight is simple. Pick just one of these 8 foods, whether it's the slow burn of cottage cheese, the complete protein of a hard-boiled egg, or the powerful punch of a whey protein shake. Try it before bed and see how much better and stronger you feel in the morning. Remember, you are never too old to get stronger. Coming in at number 8 is the humble old-school powerhouse, cottage cheese. While it might seem like a bland, retro snack, cottage cheese is actually one of the most effective and affordable tools for preserving muscle overnight, and the secret lies in its unique protein structure. Unlike rapid-digesting whey protein, which hits your system quickly and is gone just as fast, think of it like a firecracker, cottage cheese is packed almost entirely with a special type of protein called casein. Casein digests very slowly, releasing amino acids steadily into your bloodstream over a period of 6 to 8 hours. It's the protein equivalent of a slow-burning candle, providing a stable, sustained fuel source that keeps your muscles fed and protected throughout the entire night. This slow, steady release is precisely what your body needs during the long fasting hours of sleep to prevent muscle breakdown. This isn't just theory. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition gave adults over 60 a small serving of casein before bed and observed a stunning 31% increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis compared to those who ate nothing. This means that the group consuming cottage cheese didn't just prevent muscle loss, they actively built more muscle while they slept. To replicate this huge benefit, simply eat about half a cup of plain, low-fat cottage cheese 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. If you find the flavor too simple, avoid heavy additions and instead mix in a few slices of banana or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Cottage cheese also contains tryptophan, an amino acid known to promote relaxation and sleep, meaning this one simple snack helps both your muscles and your brain wind down for a powerful night of restorative rest. Food number 7, hard-boiled eggs, the efficient leucine bomb. Next on our list is food number 7, hard-boiled eggs. Small, compact, and often underestimated, hard-boiled eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense and muscle-protecting foods you can easily consume before bed. Each egg delivers around 6 grams of incredibly high-quality, complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body requires for tissue repair in exactly the right proportions. But what makes eggs an absolute must for people over 60 is their generous supply of leucine, a powerful amino acid that acts like a specific biological switch to initiate the muscle-building process. Due to age-related anabolic resistance, older bodies require a higher dose and quality of protein to flip this switch and trigger recovery. Eggs solve this problem by providing complete, easily absorbed protein in a small, easily digestible package that is gentle on the stomach. A 2021 study published in Nutrients followed a group of adults over 60 who consumed whole eggs before bed and found that they experienced a 19% higher muscle preservation rate over a 12-week period. Beyond muscle preservation, the egg group also showed elevated levels of IGF-1, a growth hormone that is crucial for tissue repair and naturally declines with age. This increased IGF-1 means better recovery, less morning stiffness, and faster rebuilding while you sleep. To make this work for you, simply enjoy 1 to 2 hard-boiled eggs about 30 minutes before bed. They are low in sugar and starch, won't spike your blood sugar, and require zero cooking or cleanup, making them the simplest, most efficient bedtime muscle snack you could choose.